Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to fix Equalizer APO when it is not working. First, open the Equalizer APO configurator on your computer. In the configurator, look at the list of audio devices and select the one you are using. Next, open the device selector for that device and make sure the checkbox next to it is checked. This tells Equalizer APO to process audio on that specific device. After that, check the option labeled Troubleshooting Options. This allows the program to automatically fix common problems it might be having. Once the configurator is set up, the next step is to check your Windows sound settings. Open the control panel and go to the sound section. Select the playback device you are using and click Properties. Go to the Advanced tab and make sure the boxes under Exclusive Mode are unchecked. This prevents other applications from taking control of your audio device and blocking Equalizer APO. If there is an Enhancements tab, make sure the option that says Disable All Enhancements is also unchecked. Click Apply and OK, then close the sound window. These settings allow Equalizer APO to process sound without interference. After completing these steps, it is a good idea to restart your computer. A simple restart often fixes any remaining issues and ensures that all changes you made are applied properly. Thanks for watching.